Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to create and manage users in QuickBooks. Do you need help delegating tasks without giving full access to your QuickBooks? Well, let's add and manage users the smart way. Step 1 is to open manage users. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Under your company, select manage users. Step 2 is going to be to add a new user. So click the add user button and you're going to be prompted to choose a user type. The options include standard user, which where you can customize what they can see and do. You have company admin, which has full access like you, and of course you have reports only, where they can only view reports but make no changes. You also have time tracking only, which can track time but can't access financials. Step 3 is to customize user permissions. If you choose standard users, QuickBooks lets you to select permissions. You can decide the customers and sales, vendors and purchase, banking, or even limited view. Pick what's relevant to their roles and then click next. Step 4 is to enter emails and send invites. Enter the user's email address and click send invites. They're going to get an email to set up their login. Step 5, manage or remove users later. If you want to remove or change a user at any time, just go back to manage users, click the drop down beside their name and choose edit or delete. A bonus tip, QuickBooks lets you to add up to a certain number of users based on your subscription. QuickBooks Online Advanced supports the most up to 25 users at a time. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.